Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I fix my jean in 2 minutes. You can see it. So here I have my scissors, I have my shoe rope, I have my safety pin. Okay, and that's my trouser over waist. So instead of sewing, all I do is just get it and use the scissors to make a hole by one end. You can see it. Just make a hole at this end. Then there's another end of the trouser. Just make another hole. It's very easy. If you don't like to wear belts, this is what will help you. Then you take your safety pin and put the shoe rope. Here you go. You fix it all the way through the rope. You see it. You push the pin. Push the pin. I don't like to wear belts, and because of the kind of shape I have a smaller waist with big ass, so most times I usually don't get trousers of my waist size. So this is how I fix it. You push the pin. You can do it for most of your trousers, your pants. That's it. This doesn't even take time. And you can remove the rope after if you don't want. Just make sure that you're doing it right, and here you have it. I've pushed it at the other end, so you tie it. That's just it.